there, everybody. Let's take a walk through the Neon Museum here in Las Vegas. This is where all the signs go when they're retired. Whether it's a casino or a place of business or a hotel, a lot of the neon signs come here. They get refurbished and lit back up again. And then you can pay a little fee and you can walk along on your own or pay for a tour, and they also have a self-guided tour, and get to see them all at night when they light up. I find it's best to go like right around dusk so you get to see the signs light up. It's pretty cool. Some of these you may or may not know depending on how old you are. Just a lot of fun. Some of them you remember from the movies, like Casino. Some of them I'd never heard of before, or even seen before. Now they do have the Flamingo here, the old sign, and they just refurbished it, I heard. So if you want to take a peek and see what that looks like, you're gonna have to go back. It was pretty cool though to walk through it. It's in a little bit of a sketchy neighborhood right now, but they're getting ready to move this, so you might want to wait until they do. Maybe it'll be better, because parking was sparse too. There's the good old Stardust. Yep, the Neon Museum in Las Vegas. In the back where we were parked, there's a building back there. Had some cool murals there. Aren't they neat? And behind it, I think they had more signs, kind of. I guess they were working on them. I got to peek in the gate, but couldn't really see too well. So definitely worth a visit going back. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in the next.